Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. A two-digit number is 4 more than 3 times the sum of its digits. If 27 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. Find the number. Now let's look at it. Let us assume x is ones place digit and y is tens place digit. Therefore, the number becomes any number can be written as that digit multiplied by place value and added to next digits multiplied by their place values. So this y is tens place. So y multiplied by 10 plus x multiplied by 1 gives 10y plus 1, 1x. So this is original number. Original number. Number obtained by interchanging their places will be reverse number. Therefore, x multiplied by 10 plus y multiplied by 1 equal to 10x plus y is reverse digit, reverse number. Now we are also given the two-digit number is 4 more than 3 times the sum of its digits. So let's see. 10y plus x is 4 more than 3 times the sum of its digits. So from here we get the equation 10y plus x equal to 4 plus 3x plus 3y, and if we combine the like terms we get 10y minus, no, not 10y, 10y minus 3y is 7y. So 7y and x minus 3x is minus 2x equal to 4. Let's name it equation 1. Now let's look at this next statement. Let's look at this next statement. If 27 is added to the number, the digits interchange their places. So we have this number 10y plus x. If I add 27 to it, digits exchange places. So we get reverse number 10x plus y. So this is, let's combine the like terms. We have 10x minus x equal to 9x and y minus 10y equal to minus 9y. So 9x minus 9y equal to 27, and if we divide all by 9 we get x minus y equal to 3. Let's name it equation 2. Now let's solve 1 and 2 together. So to get it we'll need to first eliminate x. So to eliminate x, let's multiply equation 2 by 2. So we get 2x minus 2y equal to 6. Let's name it equation 3. Now what we can do is we can add equation 1 and 3. Adding 1 and 3 we get 7y minus 2x plus 2x minus 2y equal to 4 plus 6. So 2x is cancelled out. 7y minus 2y is 5y equal to 10. Therefore, that gives us y equal to 2. Now putting this y equal to 2 in equation 2, putting y equal to 2 in 2, we get x equal to y plus 3, which is equal to 5. So we get x equal to 5. We have to find the number. The original number is 10y plus x. Original number. Therefore, original number equal to 10y plus x equal to 10 into 2 plus 5 equal to 25. So this is the original number. This is the answer.